Scrambled eggs mean so many different things to so many different people.
Today, we're going to show you how we make our scrambled eggs on a griddle. This is good. Really good.
Hi friends, thanks so much for stopping by our kitchen today. We're so glad you could join us. I'm Dad.
And I'm Keturah.
If you're interested in receiving other healthy recipes from us, don't forget to hit that notification bell. The perfect scrambled eggs means so many different things to so many different people. It could be that they're quick and easy. It could be the incredible
Color.
Or even the phenomenal
Taste.
But today we're going to show you how we make our scrambled eggs quick and easy. If you're looking for a quick and easy breakfast recipe, scramble your eggs. It only has a few ingredients. What do we have today, Keturah?
Salt.
And?
Pepper.
With?
Butter.
And how many eggs are we going to scramble?
2.
To start off, you take your griddle and you heat it up to 325. We have already preheated our griddle here. But then you take your butter and melt it. We've got 1 tablespoon of butter. Let's go ahead and put our butter right here on our griddle. There you go. We've got our wooden spatula that we'll spread it out with. And, yep, you do want to be careful with that you don't burn yourself. You get that going, and while that is melting on your griddle, go ahead and we take our eggs and crack them into the bowl. Go ahead and do that, Keturah. There's one. Excellent. Right back in that container. And crack the other one. Good. And it has made a mess. So we're going to go ahead and wash our hands, and then we'll come back and mix it up and add the eggs to the griddle. We've washed our hands, so we're going to go ahead and take our whisk and mix up the egg white and the egg yolk. So go ahead and do that, Keturah. And you can take a fork if you don't have a whisk. We're just using our small whisk. Break up that yolk and get it mixed in real hard with the egg white. And while it's in the mixing bowl, that's when we season it with the salt and the pepper. So she's got it mixed up there. I'm going to go ahead and take a pinch of salt. Now a pinch, what is that? That's about 1/8 of a teaspoon. And then we'll take a little bit, maybe a half of a pinch of the pepper so that we can put that in there. That's all mixed up. Some people add milk to theirs. We've got our dairy, if you will, on the butter. That will help to flavor that as well. She's got it mixed up real well. Go ahead and let's pour that on the griddle now, Keturah. Good, you can put that right in this one. There we go. There it is. You take this, and if it looks like it's going to the hole of the griddle, you just kind of pull it back and just let it sit for a couple seconds while it's thickening up. It doesn't take long. So you can fold it over. You can make them moist. You can make them dry. Please don't make them rubbery. You can mix them around a couple times and get them there.
You can already see them forming.
You can. It's already forming in the bottom layer. Nice color there.
Beautiful.
These eggs are great to eat. We enjoy farm fresh eggs as well. They taste great, whether scrambled, fried, hard boiled. But today again we have just used the store-bought eggs, getting them kind of broke up. Many times we make this for our whole family. We've made up to 12, even 14 scrambled eggs. They don't all fit on our griddle, that's for sure. But you can reheat them. Just store them in a container in the fridge and reheat them for you.
You may also use a skillet.
Yes, so we often use the cast iron skillet, and again, that is our favorite skillet for the stovetop. We've let them fry up, if you will, in that butter. They smell great. We'll go ahead and take them off of the griddle and go ahead and eat those here shortly. In fact, these will actually be our dinner today. We love eggs for all sorts of different times. And dinner. That's right. Dinner is a great time that we often eat them. You can see sometimes you have some issues getting them off here with one spatula. You can use another one if you need to. Our question for the day is,
how do you describe your perfect scrambled eggs?
We'd love to know. Let's start a conversation down in the comments section below. Keturah, go ahead and try those. These are our scrambled eggs. We enjoy them. We hope that you enjoy them as well. Nice and hot, seasoned with salt, pepper, and butter. And they're great. Thanks so much for joining us today on Kitchen Time with Dad. Don't forget, healthy food for happy families. See you next time.
How we make our scrambled eggs on a griddle.
Phenomenal.
Taste.
There you go.
This is good. really good.